Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install StudyPug detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.studypug.com and press enter. Once the StudyPug homepage loads, look for the sign up or login button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click login and enter your credentials. If you need to create a new account, click sign up and fill out the required information. After you've successfully logged in or signed up, navigate to the download section. Locate the download link for your specific operating system, either Windows or Mac. Click on the appropriate download link to begin downloading the StudyPug installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's download folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Choose the installation location or simply use the default settings. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once installed, you may see a confirmation message. You can now find the StudyPug application in your Applications folder or Start menu. Double-click the StudyPug icon to launch the application. Log in with your account credentials if prompted. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features offered. You're now ready to start using StudyPug for your learning needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.